Good morning, and may the peace of the Lord be with you. I do hope you're keeping well, and that you're keeping safe, and that your families are keeping well and safe too. Well, you've got me, Miss Bahi again, and Mr. Daggett, which means that we have another singing assembly. I hope that you're ready to do some singing. Let's get you warmed up first of all. So I want you off your sofas, standing up with me, because we're going to do what's called the funky chicken song. And so I'm going to be starting off by shaking out my body, shaking out my left hand 8 times, and then my right hand 8 times, and then my left foot 8 times, and then my right foot 8 times, and then I'm going to be moving to 4, and then I'm going to be moving to 2, and then 1, and then we end it with a funky chicken when we wobble out all our body. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Funky chicken! I hope I didn't do that by myself. Next warm-up, I know it's a song that the children in St John's really enjoy, and it's a call and response warm-up song called Che Che Koole. I will say a line and then you have to repeat that line back to me. And the final section we all say together, which is Cum Adende Hey. All right? We're going to go for it together, and I'm going to show you what you need to do by me showing you with my hands how to respond. Che Che Koole, Che Che Koole, Che Che Kafinsa, Che Che Kafinsa, Coffee Salanga, Coffee Salanga, Kakashilanga, Kakashilanga, Cum Adende, Cum Adende, Cum Adende, hey! So the idea is that final line we're all going to be shouting out the hey together, really getting our bodies and our voices warmed up for singing. Ready? Che Che Koole, Che Che Kafinsa, Coffee Salanga, Kakashilanga, Cum Adende, Cum Adende, hey! Well done, fantastic. I hope that you're feeling warmed up and ready to do some singing with Mr. Daggett. Our theme this week is one of patience. The idea about having that ability, whenever there's challenges and problems in our lives, that we will overcome them by being positive, not becoming over anxious or becoming overly annoyed and frustrated. And I know that right now, lots of us are having to be very patient. We're waiting for lots of things to happen. We're waiting to go back to school. Many of us might be looking forward to going back to our work as teachers, as colleagues in our schools. And it's been a long, long wait. But in spite of all this, I'm hoping that we are gaining patience and we're being positive in all of this. Our first song, which Mr. Daggett will lead us in, is Great is Thy Faithfulness. Over to you, Tom.
We have a beautiful first song for us today. Great is Thy Faithfulness. And as we're learning to be patient, we need also to learn to trust God, who is faithful to us throughout our lives. Can you say, great is thy faithfulness? Let's try it. Great is thy faithfulness. Now, the first line, we're going to see if we can sing it all the way through without taking a breath like this. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. Let's try that, going the other direction this time. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father. Well done. You'll pick this song up very easily, and every time we sing the word great, fist pump the air. Sitting up, piece of string attaching our heads to the ceiling, nice long neck, relaxed shoulders, and we're ready to go. The first word is great, don't forget. Fist pump, here we go. Great is thy faithfulness, O God my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Thou changest not, thy compassions they fail not. As thou hast been, thou forever wilt be. Here we go. Great is thy faithfulness, great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning new mercies I see. All I have needed thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Well done. Pardon for sin and a peace that endureth, thine own dear presence to cheer and to guide, strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow, blessings all mine with 10,000 beside. Great is thy faithfulness, great is thy faithfulness. Morning by morning new mercies I see. All I have needed thy hand hath provided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Lovely singing.
Well done. Some fantastic singing as always. One of my favourite songs too. The next song we're going to be singing is The Journey of Life May Be Easy, May Be Hard. Over to you, Tom.
It's not easy to have patience sometimes, and patience requires of us an inner strength and courage, especially when things are a little bit difficult. And through our journey of life, we know that we have Christ alongside us to guide us with his message of love, and Christ, the light of the world, to show us the way in good times and in bad. This next song is called The Journey of Life, and the first line sounds like this. The journey of life may be easy, may be hard, there'll be danger on the way. Your turn. The journey of life may be easy, may be hard, there'll be danger on the way. Excellent singing. Now I'm going to sing this song. It has 2 verses and a chorus. Will you ride, ride, ride with the King of Kings? And we'll do some actions. Riding. Here we go. Often helps if we sit up, arms up in the air, stretching, smiling faces. Here we go. The journey of life. The journey of life may be easy, may be hard. There'll be danger on the way. With Christ at my side, I'll do battle as I ride, against the foe that would lead me astray. Will you ride, ride, ride with the King of Kings? Will you follow my leader too? Will you shout Hosanna to the lowly Son of God, who died for me and you? My burden is light and a song is in my heart as I travel on life's way. For Christ is my Lord and he's given me his word that by my side he'll stay. Will you ride, ride, ride with the King of Kings? Will you follow my leader true? Will you shout Hosanna to the lowly Son of God, who died for me and you? Lovely singing, children. Well done.
Well done. Some amazing singing. Despite the challenges that we're facing in our lives, Let's ask God for patience. Let's rely on Him to guide us through this challenging time through His faithfulness. Let's bow our heads and pray. A prayer for patience. Grant me patience, Lord, as I await your answers to my prayers. Teach me to be still in the midst of the storms and challenges. For your timing is always perfect. Never too early and never too late. Knowing that you hold the future and it is definitely worth the wait. Amen. Thank you for joining us in Singing Assembly. Hopefully you've learnt a new song or you've enjoyed some songs that you know very well. Have a great day. Keep safe, keep well and keep singing. Bye.